Girl Talk Stocks. I'm Elizabeth Howard, and I'm going to tell you guys about Nervos Network and why it is a sleeping giant, and you should be very, very interested in it. And I have no idea why a lot of people aren't talking about this coin. It's really good info. You definitely want to stay tuned till the end. So the days of having to create multiple accounts and multiple wallets to buy certain cryptocurrencies is a thing of the past. It's becoming a thing of the past for sure, with these layer 2 coins such as Nervos Network is trying to make it universal. Nervos Network is a universal passport to all blockchains. So what they're trying to do, and what they are doing, is just making it a place where you can go to one network and purchase any cryptocurrency that you want. So for instance, you can buy the more like stable coins on Robinhood, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. Those coins, you can purchase those coins on Robinhood, but you can't purchase Nervos Network. You can't purchase Uniswap. You can't purchase these other cryptocurrencies that everybody else is getting involved in. So you want to jump in on something that's more universal, right? So you get more bang for your buck. It creates a platform for developers. It's already there, set to go, so it's user friendly for developers. Instead of developers having to start from scratch and mine these blockchains, create these blockchains, and then get started on their project, these are mainframe utility coins that are like the feeder roads of a highway where there's a lot of congestion. These coins are trying to make the framework and the feeder roads to make things less congested, less costly, and easier to get around. So user friendly for developers, for users only having to go to one place to purchase your coins, your coin of your choice. Check out their website, guys.
Blockchain and reach users in every blockchain.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Shots fired! Yes, you can.
Yes, you can.
Yes, you can.
Build on one blockchain and reach every blockchain? No way.
Yes, you can.
Yes, you can.
Yes, you can.
All right, smarty pantsers. I bet you can't use one crypto of your choice and one interface to interact with every single blockchain.
Yes, you can.
Yes, you can.
Wait, one crypto, one interface? You're dreaming.
ما فيها يعمل شيء أبدا فيها. ما حدا جربها من قبل؟
Yes, you can.
ما حدا بده يقدر يجربها بالمستقبل، بس إن شاء الله بيقدروا يعملوها كلياتها.
Okay, well what if you've built your app already? Surely you can't just magically access users outside the blockchain it was built on.
Yes, you can.
Read my lips. Read my eyes.
Yes, you can.
You can't port your code to every blockchain. You can't.
Oh, come on! Yes, you can.
Yes, you can.
Okay, so you're telling me the Nervos platform will be your universal passport to blockchain? Yeah, okay. Got it.
Okay, guys and girls, that actually, in a nutshell, explains Nervos Network. So don't forget to check it out. I use crypto.com to purchase mine. You can also go to other apps like Binance. It's partnered, or it's listed on there, which is a really big deal. So it's starting to also list on other platforms, and it's also creating partnerships with other coins to create this universal passport between blockchains. So all you have to do is go to one place and purchase all your coins, and it's user friendly for developers and for the people using it. So that's all there is to it. I purchased mine at crypto.com. I continue to purchase on these dips. It has good days. There's seasons of purchasing crypto and it's when it's in the red. I love to see red days because I know I'm gonna purchase more. You can purchase like 10,000 of them right now for like $120, 5,000 for 60 right now. So that's a good bump in your portfolio just to have those coins. Set them aside, don't touch them. They predict in many research, I'm not a financial advisor, but they predict by 2030 that this coin is going to go to $1.14. So you just buy it, let it sit, don't even look at it, put it away. This is for beginners. So I hope you guys learned something today. Don't forget, check out the links below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.